Intersections aren't dangerous, drivers are. As you can see, our learner was able to do evasive action to avoid the car that failed to give way to the right when turning right. Skip ahead one more day on another lesson with a different student, and we're at an intersection going straight ahead. As you can see by the lines, it's a give way. The car coming towards us is turning right. We can see they're gesturing that they're going to go, so we just hesitate a bit because we know they're going to pull in front of us, and away we go. As you can see, the intersection wasn't dangerous, it was the driver's behaviour. A few minutes later in this lesson, as you can see, we're approaching a stop sign. If you look, not one of the three cars that are in front of us actually stop at the stop sign. So as you can see, one's gone, two's gone, three's gone. So is that showing that intersections are dangerous or driver behaviour is dangerous? So if you assume every single driver out there is a total idiot and has no idea what they're doing, you'll be able to avoid them. But if you expect them to follow the road rules, you will end up being a part of their accident.